Some of the greatest innovations humanity has ever come up with were results of our attempts to mimic something that nature figured out long ago. Well, it's called biomimicry, and here in Israel, there's an organization that is spreading the word about how incredibly effective this practice can actually be. Here now with more is chair of the Israel Biomimicry Organization, Dr. Daphne Haim-Langford, and the Israeli Biomimicry Organization's co-founder and CEO, Dr. Yael Helfman Cohen. Thank you both very much for coming in today.
Thank you.
It's a pleasure to have you. So my first question, just clarify, what exactly is the practice of biomimicry?
So biomimicry is an innovative methodology that's practically taking innovations from nature, solutions that were tested for 3.8 billion years of evolution, and in the natural research and development, and was succeeded, and then we just mimic it to meet our challenges, the humanity challenges.
So what are some of these challenges? Or maybe give me some examples of Israeli biomimicry that has been put out into the market.
So years and years, researchers and companies around the world are trying to mimic the spider silks. Spider silk are one of the most interesting material in nature, very, very strong, even stronger than steel. And spiders, flexible. But also flexible. Yeah. And spiders, those little creatures, are the ones that produce those. Okay. So a company from Jerusalem, Civics, that was founded by Dr. Ita and Dr. Shen, were the first one to be able to mimic, manufacture, scale up, and commercialize the first man-made spider silk, and it can be used in numerous applications, from medical applications to plastics, textiles.
I'm sure it goes as far as the imagination does.
Exactly.
So okay, so what is it that your organization is doing? Tell me maybe about this conference that we haven't spoken about yet. So here.
Yeah, sure. So the Israeli Biomimicry Organization was established almost 10 years ago. And our goal is to promote biomimetic innovation in Israel, technological and sustainable innovation. We target mainly the education, academic and industrial sectors. Okay. And among our activities...
Like high school as well, or even younger?
Yes, and even younger.
Oh.
And among our activities, we made an educational program. And so far, thousands of students in Israel have already been exposed to biomimicry and practiced biomimicry innovation.
So when is this conference? Who's going to be there?
Yeah, sure. So in the last 5 years, every year we make a biomimicry conference. We call it Biomimicry Academy and Industry. And this year, for the first time, this conference is going to be an international conference in collaboration with the Technion Institute of Technology, Tel Aviv University, and even ISBE, which is an international society of bionic engineering. It will take place at Tel Aviv University on June 14. Wow. And this audience targets engineers, designers, architects across the board. And among the topics, there are various topics that reflects the interdisciplinary nature of biomimicry, including medical devices, robotics, fluid dynamics, and smart materials, and even design methodologies.
So, okay, my final question, unfortunately, because we're running out of time. What's next? What comes after this conference and all these different initiatives?
In our evolution path, the next stage is to establish a biomimicry institute in Israel. In order to
like a full-time kind of...
Yes, in order to leverage our impact. And there are many examples of such institutes worldwide. For example, the Biomimicry Center in Arizona State, in the States. And this institute will provide academic programs and will help to develop more biomimetic studies and researches.
All right, well, this sounds amazing. It's very, very exciting. I hope that everybody kind of gets more about this. Visit, where should we visit? Biomimicry Organization.
Biomimicry Organization, biomimicry.il.
.il, there we go. Thank you very much for coming in.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.